If you're thinking about retirement, I'm guessing that you're thinking about the financial side of things, making sure that you're doing the right things to ensure you're making wise money decisions. That's key, but there are a few other skills we've seen successful retirees develop in retirement that truly help them achieve that security and the fulfillment that they're looking for in those retirement years. So in this video, I'm gonna go over the top 5 skills you should know about and practice. But first, welcome back, or if I haven't met you yet, I'm Dave Zoller, and I run a wealth management firm, Streamline Financial, with my business partner, Tim, and then our team of advisors, and we help people plan for and achieve their ideal retirement. If you're currently paying an advisor that only helps with investment management, and maybe they don't help with the retirement income planning or tax planning or withdrawal strategies, please reach out to us and we might be able to help. So the first skill you need to have in retirement is the ability to deal with uncertainty. Much of what we do for clients is to design secure retirement plans that are prepared for the unexpected, but that doesn't mean that the unexpected things aren't going to happen. Whether it's health related, stock market or economy related, or family issues, we can almost be certain that there's going to be uncertainty. So developing that skill of working through uncertainty is very important. We've seen a lot of things firsthand. Really, some of the worst decisions people have made is when uncertainty and emotions are high. And I don't blame them. It's difficult to think strictly logically during those times of uncertainty and high emotions. But when uncertainty happens, make sure you have a retirement plan B that thought about the different scenarios before they happen. Now, we don't know what the actual scenarios are going to be, but we do know that something could happen. And having a plan that shows that more worst case or plan B is really helpful during those uncertain times. The next skill to develop is relationship building. Now, loneliness can be pretty damaging to our health, even for us introverts. If you have your significant other or family, then you can keep in touch with them and it's great, but also think about friends when you get into retirement and keeping in touch with your friends. Maybe you're already doing this. For much of our careers, though, it's normal for us to lose touch with some of our old friends. Now that you're closer to retirement, see if you can reach out and reconnect and see where it goes. We have two clients of Streamline that were best friends in their early 20s, and then they lost touch for about 30 years. Now they're in their late 50s, and they're just reconnecting recently in the last year or so, and they're having so much fun together. They wish they had never fallen out of touch. There are 3 important skills left, but if you're enjoying this so far and you like these retirement-specific videos, please like this video and subscribe so that you can see the next one. We usually put out 1 per week. So the third skill is what you might expect, and that's financial mastery. If you're not working with a wealth management team and you're doing it yourself, then you should continually study up on 3 areas. One is retirement income planning and withdrawal strategy, and that relates to different accounts and when you're going to take out of each one and how much, because this can really save you thousands on taxes. The next area is investment strategy and just making sure that you're prepared for whatever economic season we go through next. And as a side note, cash might not mean that you're prepared, especially if there's inflation. And then tax planning is the last area. And it's not just looking backwards and doing your taxes correctly, but it's really looking forward to this year and then the following years to see if there's any tax saving strategies you can take advantage of. If you are working with a wealth management team, then your skill will be more of the CEO role, and the wealth management team is like the CFO of the family, making sure that everything's working for you, but you still need to be involved. An easy way we've seen is having your online dashboard so you can see your total financial life just on one page on your online dashboard. It's a great way to have a 10-minute weekly or monthly checkup and then have regular check-ins with the financial team. That's very important too. The 4th skill is the ability to relax. You might be thinking that's not a skill, but there are a segment of our clients and people that we know who feel like they always have to be doing something and they're not happy just relaxing. So they continue to work, not realizing that there might be some things they could be doing now that they're not able to do while they're working that would actually bring them more fulfillment and joy, which really leads into our last skill to develop. And that's the skill of introspection to find your next purpose and passion. This could be the time where you have the most money you ever had, the most time you've ever had, and the most wisdom you've ever had, because with age comes wisdom, which means you might have a great chance to make an impact on others for good. So take some self-reflective time to rediscover your strengths. I love the Strengths Finders quiz that you could find online. I think it might be $10. And then think through also what you love to do. If you can combine strengths, what you love to do, and possibly what the world needs more of, that's a recipe for living a fulfilling life in retirement. So I hope these 5 skills for a successful retirement were helpful. Please like and subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next video.